Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. So today is just a quick little announcement. I don't have a project or anything planned for today. Stay tuned for tomorrow because I will be back with a project. But I just want to pop on really fast and let you guys know that my occasions and Sale-A-Bration catalog paper share is now live. These catalogs don't actually go, you can't actually start ordering from these, and for another couple days they go live January 3rd. But for the next 2 days I'm taking pre-orders for my paper share. And then after that, I'm going to keep the paper share open just for a little while longer so that those the few of you can get your last minute orders in. But I just wanted to pop on here and let you guys know if you are interested that you can now pre-order this, and I will start shipping these out January 3rd. For the first batch of people that get their orders in, I will ship on January 3rd. So I just wanted to give you guys some details. In this paper share, there are 9 different assortments of paper. 8 of them come from the Occasions catalog, and then 1 of them comes from the Sale-A-Bration catalog, and that means that you get this one absolutely free. So you pay nothing for this one. All of the other papers are what a single sheet of paper this size would be at cost. So super exciting. Like I said, you get the Bubble and Fizz completely free. What that means is that there are over 60 sheets of paper in this set, and it's only $14.50 plus shipping and handling, which I think is like $3, I want to say. So it's a super great price, a steal. For less than $15. You can get a sample of every single piece of paper in our upcoming catalogs, which is absolutely amazing. And I just love this because it's a nice 6x6 piece of paper. So you can see all of the wonderful different designs in each before you decide to buy a full pack of that paper. They all come in their own little individual baggies, in their little, I don't know, I want to say in their suite, but that's not right, in their little collection. So I put each of them in a little baggie. I seal them up. They all have labels on them so you know which is which. Like I said, over 60 sheets of paper for $14.50. So if you're interested, make sure you head over to my Etsy shop. My shop name is Little Moon Creation, or I'll link it down in the description below. It'll be the first link down there. It'll take you directly to this listing. So again, you have 2 days to pre-order this, and if you pre-order, you will have this shipped to you on December on January 3rd. And then if you don't order by then, you can continue to place your order for another few days, and then I'll ship them as I receive in more paper. So I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Happy New Year, happy 2018. And yeah, I just wanted to pop on and let you guys know that. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at littlemooncreation@gmail.com. And until then, I will see you guys in the next video.